Market recap of 2/24/2025. I did not take a trade today. I did have an opportunity to take profit. One did get hit, but the RR was off, so I did not take it. This is why rules matter so much, right? Today, very satisfied. I built good habits. I followed my system. I did not have a setup. I did have a setup, but the setup did not offer me a 2 RR to my initial take profit, so I did not proceed to take the setup. So that's why I didn't take it. And my rules said to my initial goal right over here, it said to, you know, offer me at least a 2 RR. Didn't offer me a 2 RR. So because why am I going for a 2 RR? Because I have a 40% win rate, right? So I must be going for a 2 RR and above to be profitable, right? And this right here did not offer me a 2 RR, so I did not take it. So you can see market reverse back up, would have stopped us out, but would have been chilling at break even and partials, right? But I did not take the trade simply because of my rules said so, right? And as well as what other thing do we have here? What else? What else? The other thing is we built good habits, right? We followed our rules. We did everything we're supposed to do. It's just a, you know, no trading day for me, right? So to get short to our bias, what we're looking for shorts. Higher time frame, right? Weekly. Let's go to over what led us to taking that trade idea, right? Weekly, we had a weekly CRT to the downside, another weekly CRT to the downside. We're the fourth week of the month. We had a big ass range in the monthly time frame. So we need to look closing a fair price, right? So we had a, I'm saying, you can see right over here. We had a weekly CRT to the downside, another weekly CRT to the downside. We had a daily CRT to the downside, another CRT to the downside. I did see people in my community go alongs. I did not see enough narrative for me to go for a long position, so I did not proceed to take a long, right? We had a daily ERL to IRL, right? That's a hard time and bias. We did have negative to the upside, but we just a weekly CRT to the upside and a daily range of discount get tapped, so we're going to range high. We didn't have more than that, right? So that's why we're looking for short instead of long. And our short position was correct. We did have a new situation here. Let's go over a 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we purchased the range high, so we want to sell. Range high got purchased. We want to sell right over here. We want to go to the range low, as well as we had we had this other range right over here, which is range right over here as well. So yeah, range high got purchased. We tapped this kind of we made a dealing range. Market pressure low, pressure high, stable low, premium discount, right? Market tab discount the premium area right when it closed. So drawing the weekend on the dealing range low because this dealing range is bearish because of our time frame. Our other what else do we had other than that? We had nothing else. We had a bullish order flow, but we had anything else here? We did not have anything else, right? That's it. That's enough for us to look for this trade. We did have a daily profile here. Our daily profile is a new situation, as I said, right? But the new situation for me, right when it goes above or below the 5 a.m. candle, higher or low, is considered to be a new situation. So right when it goes below this low, it's considered to be a new situation instantly. And market was high likely not gonna go down here, right? Market was high likely to not even go down here. Why? Because market had a big range to the upside and big range to the downside, and you can see big ass wick. So market needs to fill that wick, right? That's why people who are looking for a near reversal would have profited today, but you're not gonna make any profit from this shit. You know what I'm saying? You were gonna take a 1-to-1 RR trade, which is most of us don't take that 1-to-1 RR, right? We take a 2 RR and above. So that's that. And yeah, we had an entry where to look for a new situation. As you guys know, new situation happens from 8 a.m. only. I mean, starting from 8 a.m., right? So you can 8 a.m. candle, purchase the 70 candle high, eventually give us a watermark confirmation. But the watermark confirmation did not give us our 2 RRs when I take it. The initial take profit, which is right over here, which is the 5 MCOT low, as well as you can see right over here. We did have another one. We did have a watermark confirmation here, but that watermark confirmation was low probability simply because of two things. The body, and there was not it was a body of an order block and not a consecutive, so that was a lower probability. Only time you want to take a body when it's a consecutive candle. Other reason was simply because there was a breakup block right above this high, a body which has a 0%. You get a 0, drawdown, which was a total soup to the down move. Eventually, you would have had to get out over here. Why? Daily time frame market at a big range to the upside and downside, right? Which is market needs to close at a fair price now, right? After like 10 p.m. or 10 p.m., not 10 p.m. After 11 a.m., market needs to close at a fair price. You can see 11 a.m. market starts, just closing up over here, right? trying to close the daily candle, right? Our bounce was correct. Everything was correct. And I saw people who were taking longs here today, right? If you guys see me take a short, but you're looking to take a long, do not go based out of my bias. Go based out of you, right? Because you have to be independent. I'm not gonna be here and teach you guys. I'm not gonna let. I don't want you guys to go based out of what I want. I want you guys to go based out of what you want to do, right? Not what you want to do. Go based out of the market, but go based out of your perspective. Because if you guys are gonna go based out of my idea, I'm looking for a short. You look for a short as well. You know, saying it's not a good because just because I'm going short, you shouldn't go short as well, right? If your bias says you maybe bullish, then you go bullish, right? Because that right there is how you actually improve in trading. So that right there could help you with your most of you guys' problem, right? Because you guys rely on somebody else, which is not good. You should be a independent thinker and take that action, right? Take action. If you see a bullish, if you see a move up to the upside right over here, take it. Why? Take it and find out. Okay, so Taki was looking for a short. Okay, his bias was correct. Now my bias is bullish, right? Because I'm looking for a near reversal profile too. I may be looking for a near reversal profile too. Why? Because the 5 MCFT low got pressed. We're going to CFT high, which the market did go over there. But the RR on this was not a reliable RR to this trade, right? Because the RR was not reliable here. Was a 1-to-1 RR, right? Taki John Luke was right, but my bias is bullish. I'm gonna go against him. Why am I gonna go against him? Because I am bullish, he's bearish, right? This tells me I'm gonna go. This tells me he wants to go up. But he tells Taki says he's gonna go down, but I'm gonna go up because I'm gonna go based out of I'm gonna go based out of my perspective, right? And find out if I'm wrong. Okay, let's find out why we're wrong, right? If you're right, okay, good. If you're wrong, you're gonna find out and you're gonna improve. But yeah, this is my market recap. Thank you for watching. Join Discord, and yeah, beautiful day. I feel like tomorrow should be another big to the downside, but tomorrow, am I gonna still keep a bearish bias or a bullish bias? I'm still gonna keep a bearish bias until this other daily CRT low, right? Or until we get enough narrative to the upside. Until we get enough narrative, I'm still gonna be looking for a short. Tomorrow, I'm probably gonna be looking for a short here. Why? Simply because we have way more narrative to the downside rather to the upside, right? So I'm looking for a bullish, bearish narrative. If I do see a bullish narrative and I see enough narrative to it, I'll be looking for longs. But in this case, I'm looking for shorts, right? It looks way more reliable to me, but don't go best side. I want to do it, right? In my eyes, I see it going down, and you guys may see it different. Go best side of it, go best side of yourself, and find out, and what I'm saying, and go do it like that, right? Because our, for my market forecast, our bias was to the ERL, right? To this high, which just got tapped right when the market opened, right? So as I said last video, where the range low got pressed, we're going to range high, right? Literally like that, right? So our boss was correct. So now you have to have the ability to adapt, right? Because market is not gonna, stay the same. He's gonna move constantly, right? So you have to adapt, right? So yeah, this is my market recap of 2/24/2025. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Join our Discord. Link description down below.